morning, everyone. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I just want to plan my day, and I wanted to do it with you. I'm on my Notion. I'm just starting my day, and I have a couple of things to add to my calendar. And then I will plan a couple of things to do today. I have that. So today is February. I need to add, this is what weekly view. Tomorrow I have a meeting, so I just scheduled a meeting for today. I have a Zoom meeting, so I'm not going to travel. Just need to be aware in advance, just 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It should take 1 hour, maybe 1.5 hours. Okay, so tomorrow I have another customer meeting. It's a friend of mine. And today I have a couple of things to do. After my coffee, I'm just going to add that to Notion. This is on progress. Just need to add a couple of things. I have that email for partnership blog survey. I need to communicate with them, and then make a video with them. So I'm just going to put that on the blog survey email. I just need to write it down. And okay, I have YouTube videos that I'm going to work. YouTube product description. Okay, this is one to do. Another I had on my mind was another YouTube for text generator. This will be one in Turkish, and another one will be, I will have another one same English. So these are to-dos that I'm going to work on. Just need to send the email first, and then I will go back and check for others. I'm trying to make up my mind if I can think of something else. Need to check my notes. Okay, another YouTube video, which is going to be creating listing. Okay, one was creating listing. Okay, another one, cost calculation. It's going to be again on my phone, cost calculation. Okay, it's better not to scroll down too much on your social media account, because you get lost and you lose your concentration. And now I need to start with I have to do. So later maybe I can take a break. And now I see the action plans are this, and if I see more I'm going to update them. but I need to get to work now, need to create a reply to this email, and for cooperation, and create text generator. This text generator tool is something that I'm going to show you later. I'm going to leave the link in the description. You can check it out if you like. And Notion, I can leave the link as well if you want to use that, and there are lots of templates in Notion. It's very useful. I use for my to-do list and for my motivation. I take my notes here. It's better to keep everything in one place instead of saving them to different Word documents or different documents. It's much easier to find it from here. So yeah, shall we get started now? Let's make the day efficient, productive. I will see you in my next video. Bye. If you want to learn AWS Cloud and you don't know where to start and you are looking for guidance, you can learn by practicing, and sometimes it's hard to stay up to schedule. You get lost in many irrelevant topics. You don't want to lose your concentration. This is the one-page PDF that I prepared, my path that I used to learn AWS Cloud, and you can study and practice and you can become cloud practitioner. This is the best way to start. It's a 6 weeks plan, but it depends on your days and your schedule. If you are busy, you can take that 6 weeks and make it a little longer, but it has all the hands-on experiences and hands-on practices, lab practices, and lots of badges that you can get. And it has all the links. You just click on them. These are all links. They are all linked, and you just click on them and you go and find what you are going to study. And these are the important links and notes to consider. It's all included in one page. If you want to get that, just click the link in description and you'll find how to get it.